Here is a quick look at this foldable 3-in-1 wireless charging station. Inside the box, you get the charging station, a Type-C cable, a power adapter and a user manual. So everything is ready to use. Taking a closer look, it has a soft PU leather finish with a clean and minimal design. One of the main features is the foldable design. You can fold it flat for travel or open it up to use it as a charging stand. It can charge multiple devices at the same time, including your phone, earbuds, and smartwatch all in one place. The phone charges wirelessly, and the dual coil design lets you use it in both vertical and horizontal positions. There are also indicator lights to show the charging status while in use. It supports fast charging, and the overall size is compact, so it fits nicely on a desk or nightstand. In everyday use, it helps keeps everything organized and reduce cable clutter. That's a quick overview, so you can see how it works.